Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Hannah. I nearly started recording. I nearly did the set and forgot to record, and that would have been a big mistake because I love these nails. So we've done all the prep, you know the drill, and now we're going in with design. So this colour looks, Jesus, a lot brighter actually on camera than it is in real life. It's called papaya, I think, papaya. Yeah, papaya, and it's kind of like a burnt orange. It kind of looks a lot brighter here, but I would describe it as like a burnt orange, kind of. You can get a burnt orange, but this is similar. Even though it looks like a luminous orange here, it's not. It was very wintry colour. So the baby was full now of that. So we literally made this setup as we was going along. She wanted like a deep orange, and I said let's use plum with it. So we ended up going for Snapdragon, and you know what? They were such a dream together. So this is Snapdragon, and we're going to put that to the tip, and we're going to blend the two together. I should have left the voice note in because I was like, I was saying like, I don't even know if these are going to blend well. And she was like, I'll be able to tell by your face if it's working or not. I obviously have like an angry face if things ain't working out. I don't know. I think I just go quiet because I'm panicking. No, but yeah, Snapdragon here, and I will blend papaya into it. And yeah, they were fine. Pretty much just work quite wet, and always go in with your colour on the tip and blend it back at the end just for that added pop of colour. I'm using my size 10 Tracy Lou brush. So this one was going to do we was going to do a full orange, but then I said, actually, let's do another ombre, but with nude. So we're using this papaya. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong or right. I know, is papaya a fruit? I know it's a fruit, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure papaya is a fruit. I've never had it. That's why I'm not 100% sure. And we're going to blend birthday suit into that. Really easy. Birthday suit is just the one if you want to blend and do an ombre, because it's kind of like sheer but not. So it's just perfect. You'll see. So yeah, we're just going to blend that into this. Yeah, so you see what I mean? It's just I didn't use it for a while, and then recently I've just started busting it out again, and I've realised that it's just a dream. So now we're going to keep capping as we're going. I usually will do. It depends. I don't know why I don't. I always have a routine with my prep, like a redesigner. Luna, no, you can't eat that bit of bread. Actually, yeah, you can. Here you go. I usually, with my prep and that, I have a little routine, but yeah, I kind of, sometimes I cap as I go, but sometimes I don't. I do it at the end. I guess it depends. And I think I do prefer capping as I'm going, but I don't know why I don't. So yeah, I'm just going to cap these two, and then we was talking about what to do on the pointer while we was doing this, and we was going to do papaya at the tip and snapdragon at the cuticle and blend it that way, but we decided to stay the same. So just do the same as what we did on the ring finger. So I'll leave you to watch again. And the thumb is just going to be a full nail of orange, I think, but I feel like I've blended it back. That only means one thing. No, I know I did a full nail of orange on the thumb because we matched it with the baby. So once I've done that, I then filed, shaped and buffed, and we are done. Ready for top coat. I did apply some crystals to the middle one. I just felt like it needed something because there was no glitter to it and nothing. And I was like, I think it needs something. So we applied these crystals that are from my website. I sell the half and half. So I've got the AB in the clear, and this one is the champagne gold and like the bronzy colour, and this is the bronzy one. They're so nice. So yeah, just applied them at the cuticle area, and now we're doing this. And yeah, we're done. So thank you so much for watching. I loved how these turned out. I was taking pictures in the house, I was taking them outside. Love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.